Hello, it's me on Toothless Tesla. Remember this Model S 85 with rusty brake rotors? Well, I said I'd give you an update about its status. Oh, by the way, on a personal note, given the choice, I would never park at an exposed corner parking space. This is common sense because it reduces the risk of your car being hit by another car roaming around the car park. In any case, for this Model S, it was parked at this exposed corner parking space for well over a month. I would never do that. So, a few days ago, this is what I found. So, there's another Tesla here. Oh, look at the decals. Nice. $70B. And it's next to the abandoned, still in the same place. And then a few days more, this is what I found. It's Tuesday 30th of June and the Tesla has gone. It's no longer in its usual spot.